Hi, welcome to another doll surgery. Today our patient is Lee. She had a similar injury as Anna. Her foot kept popping off, and we took care of that. But this time, we're taking care of her bust frame. It was cracked, which caused her arm to keep falling off. Okay, well, her hand's about to fall off too. Okay, hopefully surgery will go well and we'll see how it goes. First things first, let's remove her arm and her wig. Now we're going to remove her head. Let's see how things go. Now the real work begins. Next, remove the chest part to reveal the frame. Twist the bust frame to remove it. That was easy. This is the part that broke. And here's the replacement part. Here's the crack that caused her arm to keep falling off. This is what the new frame looks like. Place the bust frame onto the ab frame. It takes some wiggling to get it into place. Slide the chest part onto the frame. Grab the head and remove the head cap. Place the head onto the neck. This is a tricky step. Be patient if it doesn't go smoothly. Check to make sure that the head is firmly in place. Place the cap back on the head. Lee's surgery was a success. She has both arms and is ready to play. I wonder what adventures she'll go on. Thanks for watching.